Semi-final round, Western Conference, Game 1. Dallas Mavericks versus Oklahoma City Thunders. Na-eliminate ng Dallas ang LA Clippers sa round 1, habang ang Oklahoma City Thunders ay na-eliminate naman ang New Orleans Pelicans.
Defensive play from Derrick Jones Jr. Washington, the corner pop, book it. The huge acquisitions that you mentioned with Washington and Gafford. Gets Alexander. Thunder. Step back. That's nice. Luka Doncic.
First quarter, 23 all.
Irving. The pull-up go is for Kyrie Irving. Second possession leading to a offensive rebound.
First half, lamang ng siyam ang OKC, 60-53.
Doncic, live. Daviald about preparing for the series. Holmgren is laces in a three. 11-2-1 since Dallas cut it to 1.
Tapos ng third quarter, 10 ang lamang ng OKC, 89-79. Hindi na nakahabol ang Dallas, 117-95. Nanalo ang Thunder.